Alan, how's your kind of take on that from a scenario perspective?
Well, absolutely. Working together is key. But I know full well that when we work with Anton at MAP, it's as people need a system to be built, we'll do that for them. They don't need to worry about that. So this is where partnerships working together for the benefit of the end customer is key, and it really does speed up the process, as Anton suggested. So we're an SAP Business One partner ourselves, so we understand and definitely talk the same language. And when Anton or I talk to each other and there's a problem or an issue, we know what's going on. We've seen these things before. We find the solution more quickly. It's moving it to cloud on AWS is absolutely easy. As I said before, you can ramp something up really quickly. You can build it. You can get it into testing pretty instantaneously. It's unless we're really busy with builds, we typically can do a full dedicated environment ready to go for SAP Business One and all of the additional solutions in a week or less. It's only down to how busy we are at that particular time, but it's that's hugely different to right. Okay, we want to do this properly. We want to do this in HANA, so we don't know HANA, so we're relying on an IT company that knows HANA to do it properly. Um, should we use? Should we get some sort of mirroring going and get three lots of HANA servers set up, and then suddenly the costs are going so catastrophically high, the project's cancelled. So it is about the partnership we have, and that sort of triangle you mentioned at the start here for us. If that client existed and they wanted to actually make a huge difference to their world, the cloud bit would just appear. They wouldn't know that. It would just be how it's delivered. The actual project of delivering Business One and the BI tool would be more tailored to their needs, but it just appears in the cloud and it works. That's
Yeah.
that's the thing. But the thing is that for us, whilst it sounds simple, so many partners, and this is why we exist, so many partners don't know how to do it properly, or
Yeah.
they don't want to spend their time learning and getting as expert as we have done over the years since we've been doing this since 2012. In 2013, we sold SAP Business One in the cloud, and that was many years ahead of many others. So it's about bringing that knowledge to support Anton as a main partner of the customer, and likewise working with you, Corey. I know we've been working hard behind the scenes, and we've now got your solution working well on HANA as well as SQL.
Yes.